To properly perform the rear delt fly, you're going to focus on bringing your feet pretty close together, definitely within hip width with your toes slightly turned out. From there, you're going to achieve a neutral spine position and push your hips back until you're in a deep hip hinge. You'll then place your hands right underneath of your shoulders, and your palms are going to face each other. Your head here is neutral and your back remains straight. You're going to lift your light weights up to the side, right in line with your shoulder joint, keeping your hands in the same plane as the shoulder. You want to pause at the top and then slowly release to the bottom position. With this exercise, you want to make sure that you're not using momentum, you're not bending or straightening your arms too much, and you're keeping a flat back throughout the exercise. I'm going to demonstrate proper form with some light weights. And that's how you do the rear delt fly.